Hey guys, it's Wheel Collectors. We're back today with a brand new kind of video that we've never done before. This is a mystery box from the very nice people over at TOMICA. I have no idea what these things are going to look like. I don't even really know what's in the box. I know that they sent us some of their new product that's available in Walmart exclusively. But I've been communicating with TOMICA just a little bit, and they have said, hey, we really like what you're doing. Would you just take a look at some of our new stuff? And I said, sure, why not? So today, this box came in via UPS. So we're just going to crack it open and see what we got. So you guys are probably going to be seeing this for the first time, just like I am. Okay? I don't even know what's going to be in here, but this is kind of exciting. This is the kind of stuff that is super fun because you just never know what you're going to see. Okay. Take a look inside the box here at what they've sent. Cool. Oh, wow. Check this out. Looks like they've sent us 3 models today in this box. Check this out. It says it's only available at Walmart, right on the package. Insane package. It looks like a little bit like the Japanese Historics. This one right here is called a Suzuki Swift Sport. It's in yellow. When they were emailing me, it said it looked like they had a couple of different features per car, maybe one per car, of like a special feature. And this one right here, it looks like the back door opens on it. So you know what? We're going to crack these open today and just take a look at them and see what they feel like. But I kind of like the packaging. Look at that. It's cool. You can see it all the way around. Okay, let's get out the second thing here. So there's only 3 models in the box. Again, it's super cool that they sent them to me because I had no idea what to expect. These things look pretty bad to the bone to me. Okay, so this one right here is a Mazda Cx-5. Red. It looks like the back door opens on these things. Super cool. The paint's cool. Looks like they might have a suspension on them. Each one comes with its own box here. Okay, there's the Mazda Cx-5. Oh yeah. Here we go. Look at this. Subaru BRZ, just like in the Street Tuners. It's funny, it's the same color, so I'm assuming that that's a special BRZ color that it happens in real life from the Subaru dealership. Nice. You know what? Let's just crack these open right now. I don't know how to get these open. I've never done one of these. I've had a few TOMICA limited vintages that I've bought over the years. But they normally already come in a box. Okay. So here's the nice little box that it comes with. Gotta tell you, I love when I get something in and it's got the Japanese on it. I don't know, I've always liked that since I was a kid. Here's the BRZ. Check it out. The door's open on it. That's pretty cool. Looks like they got the suspension on there. I think that when they emailed me, they said these are going to be in the $499 price point. Okay, let's open this Mazda. Mazda Cx-5. Got the back door hatch that opens here. There we go. Boom. The paint looks good on these guys. Check that out. Got the suspension on it. Does not have real riders on there. I know that most of us love the real riders. Okay, let's open the last one here. This is the Suzuki Swift. Cracking it open right now, baby. Got the back hatch that opens on this one with the suspension. Got the Suzuki. Sweet. Well, that's our mail find for today. Kind of exciting. I'd like to thank the people over at TOMICA for letting me take a peek at this stuff. Very cool, guys. Feel free to send anything you want in the future. Thanks again. Be sure to check out our video on Monday night. We're going to be getting our next round of giveaways going. Thanks, everybody, for joining us.